In today's fast-paced world, the packaging industry is constantly evolving to meet the demands of consumers. Tecma Labeling Solutions is at the forefront of this revolution, providing cutting-edge solutions that are changing the way products are packaged and labeled. With our state-of-the-art technology and expertise, we are able to offer a wide range of labeling solutions that are not only visually appealing, but also functional and efficient. From custom labels to digital printing, we have the tools and resources to help businesses of all sizes stand out in the market. Our innovative approach to labeling has helped our clients increase brand recognition, improve product visibility, and ultimately drive sales. By working with Tecma Labeling Solutions, you are not just getting a labeling provider, you are gaining a partner that is dedicated to helping your business succeed in today's competitive market. Join the revolution and revolutionize your packaging with Tecma Labeling Solutions. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more industry insights and updates.